This is broke. The knob is turned all the way to the right over here. The key slightly turned over here. And we see that there's an alignment issue with the door of the safe. I literally unboxed this like probably 5 months after I purchased it. Like I literally unboxed it, right? Because I just haven't had a need. So I passed my warranty, even though this has been out the box for for less than 30 minutes. It's been out of the box. And look at this, it won't open because this alignment thing won't let it. I don't understand how this passed QA. And I know that they're not going to give me my money back because I literally took this out the box 5 months after I purchased it. And what am I supposed to do with this? I mean, it's obvious that there's a design flaw or anomaly with this box. And I'm out of 100, and I don't even know how much I paid for this. I think I paid like 100 or something. I forget. Man, I swear to God, this only happens to me. All right.
Look how damaged this thing is. It's bent. Look. Right. This is the side that's all messed up. Look at that. I'm not talking to you. Gouge right there where it's bent, so it's hard to open. Just straight garbage. The company straight garbage and Amazon straight garbage. See, look at that's where it's bent, and I have to force that door open. See up top, and the inside is just as worse as the outside. Don't buy it. Stop dealing with Amazon.
Here was the safe live. There was no dings when I got it. It's awesome. I'm gonna use a code. Clicks. Twist to the right, it opens. Alright. I got a Glock in there, you can't really see in there. I have a Hellcat. MP80. Clicks. Click. Try twisting again. Doesn't lock. The key works. I'm not using it right now. And the set process of making your own code works well, and I recommend it, especially if you have kids around. And awesome. I don't know why other people say it was trash. You probably didn't follow directions. As usual, usually it's user error, not the product.
Alright, so you send somebody a safe that, you can see the key that you supply me. This is the bullcrap key that you give me that, as you can see, doesn't open up the safe. So how in the world do you send somebody a safe that you cannot open? What kind of joke is this? Really? Are you serious, Amazon? Thank you so much.